Hi guys. So a few things that I wanted to explain, based on some of the comments that I have been getting, is first the idea of this AE of these test benches. So one of the questions is that, okay, we have implemented the AES.cpp, but it's not running anything. It actually is. It's running the input that is in AES, that it is in the test benchmark that you're giving it. It's running this. So these are the inputs that you are giving it. So now these inputs are hard coded. So you can, so the way that the hardware in RTL works is that, say, this is your RTL. Now, if the input that you're giving it runs this workload or activates this part of the RTL, then that's the latency you're gonna get. If it activates this part, that's the latency you're gonna get for this part of the RTL code. So when you have different inputs, the latency is going to change. What is not going to change is the area, which is not supposed to. The latency is supposed to change, and the power of it. Now, the optimizations that you can use, and I'm gonna send a link to it, but the Vivado HLS optimizations there's a very long list of it. What you want to do is to look at your code and apply the optimizations that will help your code. So here I'm gonna go to the AES. Here you have a for loop and it already applies the HLS pipeline. What you can do is to apply the HLS loop unrolling here, and then so add it right here under the HLS pipeline. So it unrolls and pipelines. So that will give you probably a different size of workload. Another idea, and you might want to run, another idea is to play with the inputs. So when you have, you need to check what this AES block T is. If it's more than just, if it's an array, you want to apply different array optimizations to it. Yeah, let's see. Let me just check one more thing. So if you go back here and check for keyword, then it will allow you to it brings the optimizations that are related to that keyword. So if you say loop, it brings up loop pipelining, unrolling, and stuff. And if you say array, those are the things that it will bring up.